Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact Today with me, Mark Lotsu. So, are you 14? Do you know any 14-year-olds? What did you ask for Christmas? Because there's a 14-year-old lad called Taylor Wilson. He asked for Christmas deuterium. Deuterium is a heavier form of hydrogen. It has an extra neutron. He then used this deuterium. I'll tell you in a second. He used this deuterium to make a nuclear fusion reactor in his garage. Youngest person ever to make a nuclear fusion reactor. 14 years old, nuclear fusion reactor in his garage. But also goes into the desert to mine uranium. So he gets yellow cake, which is a form of uranium before it's processed into a fuel. 14 years old. That's amazing. Also, so this was a few years ago. I think it must have been early 2000s. Now, when he was 17, he then went on to improve the detection at Homeland Security. So again, this is a system that they use which costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. He made it for a few $100s in his garage. Again, nuclear fusion reactor in his garage. Brand new detection system in his garage. He's now 23. Who knows where he's going to go? There's a picture of him with President Barack Obama, and he's showing the president about his new Homeland Security system. I'll put it on there. That's Fact Today. The moral of the story is, it doesn't matter how young you are, it doesn't matter how old you are, you can achieve anything. If a 14-year-old boy can make a nuclear fusion reactor in his garage because he had aspirations of wanting to make a star, the same reaction that goes on in the sun, he wanted to recreate that in his garage, and he did. You can do anything. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Okay, that's it for me. Love you, bye. Love you, bye. Love you, bye.